subjects so you get how Scratch works, and from lesson 2 onwards I'll start explaining you about Scratch. So this is the main scheme. I'll just go to files and I'll show you one of my game. It taking time. Yeah. So my game's name, did you know? And this game name is Rocket Satellite Game. Here, let's see what happens. I'll just do it full screen. Let's see. Now this has to escape from the enemy rocket. Okay, I just have to do this. Escape! Oh, it turns into a satellite. Actually, this was a building. I just made it a satellite. Okay? So that's how my game works. So did you see it and say? But what happens if the enemy rocket touches it? Let's try it one more time. There's nothing I'll do. Let's just see the enemy rocket touch it. I'll do nothing. I'll just sit here. Good. What happened? I'll just stop this. Let's try it again. Enemy rocket in good position. So the characters are enemy rocket, my super duper rocket, Robodog, Earth. So what happens is when my super duper rocket touches the enemy rocket, it bursts. Actually, I'll show you the costume. I don't know this. It was actually a puffer fish. I just made it like this. Isn't it looking like a bang explosion? Okay.
One more.
Now I'll show you one more game I have done. Let's just go to 5. First, let's save it. Because if you do not see, okay, I'll show you saving your friends. It would be a little bit long, but I think you'll really enjoy it. It's a conservation doing 2 friends. I'll just show you. Good morning, friend. Let's get done. Good morning, friend. This is a conservation between these 2 friends.
Conversation.
A monkey and a hare. Who should we talk? That's not the correct way to say. Actually, the answer is not the correct way to say is who should we talk about? Oh, sorry, wait. I know how to talk about. Who to talk about? Let's talk about Mr. Bear. First, Iris. Can you say one more thing? Okay. That's shuffle. Thank you. Okay. Now I'll say one more thing. I know, we have to help us. We definitely have to save a friend, but how will we defeat Mr. Bear? I just hit it over. I know how to defeat Mr. Bear by playing a trick. And I know your question, and that trick is we will make voices of lion, tiger and jaguar. Very good trick. We will definitely defeat Mr. Bear. Now that is the end of the conservation and as well of this video. I hope you like this video. Please help my video to become more popular by like and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red subscribing button and don't forget to ring